Hey, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing and how to earn money the best way. If you're looking for a way to make money online, then you're in the right place. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and most profitable ways to make money online. So, let's get started. Part 1. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a process where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission when someone buys through your unique referral link. In other words, you're the middleman between the buyer and the seller. You don't need to have your own product or service, but you need to have an audience to promote the product or service to. As an affiliate marketer, your role is to promote products or services that you believe in to your audience. When someone clicks on your unique referral link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission from the sale. This is a great way to make money online without having to create your own product or service. It's a win-win situation for both the affiliate marketer and the product or service owner, as the affiliate marketer earns a commission for promoting the product or service, and the owner gains exposure and sales through the affiliate marketer's promotion efforts. Part 2. How to choose the right affiliate program. When it comes to affiliate marketing, you want to choose the right program that suits your niche and your audience. You don't want to promote something that is not relevant to your audience. You should also choose a program that has a good commission structure, provides you with marketing materials, and has a good reputation. Choosing the right affiliate program is crucial for success in affiliate marketing. You want to ensure that the program you choose aligns with your niche and the interests of your audience. Promoting products or services that are not relevant to your audience can harm your credibility and may result in lower conversions. In addition to relevancy, you should also consider the commission structure of the program. Look for programs that offer fair and competitive commissions for your efforts. You should also check if the program provides marketing materials such as banners, links, and email templates to make your promotion efforts easier and more effective. Lastly, it's important to choose a program with a good reputation. Research the program and read reviews from other affiliate marketers to ensure that it's trustworthy and reliable. You want to promote products or services that you believe in and that will bring value to your audience. By choosing the right program, you'll be able to build trust with your audience and increase your chances of success in affiliate marketing. Part 3. How to promote your affiliate links. Now, it's time to promote your affiliate links. There are many ways to promote your links, such as through social media, blog posts, email marketing, and YouTube videos. You should choose the methods that work best for your audience and your niche. Remember, the key is to provide value to your audience and not just promote products. Once you have chosen the right affiliate program and products to promote, it's time to start promoting your affiliate links. There are many ways to do this, including social media, blog posts, email marketing, and YouTube videos, among others. However, it's important to keep in mind that the key to successful affiliate marketing is providing value to your audience. You should focus on creating content that is helpful, informative, and relevant to your audience's interests and needs. By doing so, you will build trust with your audience and increase the likelihood that they will click on your affiliate links and make a purchase. Additionally, it's important to choose the promotion methods that work best for your niche and your audience. For example, if you have a large social media following, promoting your affiliate links on social media may be the most effective strategy for you. Alternatively, if you have a blog, writing informative blog posts and including affiliate links within them may be more effective. Ultimately, the key is to find the methods that work best for you and your audience and to focus on providing value to your audience rather than simply promoting products. By doing so, you will be well on your way to success in affiliate marketing. Part 4. Tips to earn more with affiliate marketing. If you want to earn more with affiliate marketing, here are some tips that can help you. Choose high-quality products or services to promote. Build trust with your audience by providing value and being honest. Use multiple platforms to promote your affiliate links. Track your results and adjust your strategies accordingly. Choose high-quality products or services to promote. The quality of the products or services you promote can greatly affect your success as an affiliate marketer. Choose products or services that are high quality, in demand, and relevant to your audience. Build trust with your audience. Trust is key in affiliate marketing. You need to establish a relationship with your audience based on honesty, transparency, and providing value. This means being upfront about your affiliate relationship and only promoting products or services that you truly believe in and would use yourself. Use multiple platforms to promote your affiliate links. Don't limit yourself to one platform. Use multiple platforms such as social media, email marketing, blogging, and YouTube to reach a wider audience and increase your chances of success. Track your results and adjust your strategies accordingly. Keep track of your results and adjust your strategies accordingly. This will help you identify what's working and what's not and make informed decisions about how to optimize your affiliate marketing efforts. By following these tips, you'll be able to maximize your earning potential and achieve success in affiliate marketing. Remember, it takes time, effort, and patience to see results. But with the right strategies and mindset, you can achieve your goals and earn a steady income through affiliate marketing. Part 5, Conclusion. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money online. It's easy to get started, and you don't need to have your own product or service. However, you need to choose the right program, promote your links effectively, and provide value to your audience. By following these tips, you can start earning money with affiliate marketing today. Outro. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more content about learning make money online.